cookies! Hope this turns out better than the last time someone left baked goods on my doorstep.
Awkward?
Awkward.
It'll just be another minute.
The topic is how to capture Sonic. You may begin.
We should attack from above by plane!
We have to get rid of his stupid friends first.
Robo Assault! Tunnel! Airplane! Robo Assault! Tunnel! Airplane!
I'm yelling words!
I can hear the voices in my head!
I'm an evil mastermind of average intelligence. Attack! Not me, Sonic! Oh, right.
I hope that doesn't affect my grade.
Up again!
I'm also back to feeling like myself again. Knock on wood. Who is it? This is even better than I hoped! 5 evil genius masterminds!
Actually, I'm an evil mastermind of average intelligence.